These are the steps you need to complete in order to import a map. Go to your SDK launcher and select Source Filmmaker. Take note that before you load any map, you must either create a new project or load an old one. To do this, simply fill out the necessary squares, the name, and simply press Create. When you get to this screen, in order to load a map, you need to right-click on any of your viewpoints, whether it be your first one or your second one. Right-click on the viewport. Find the option Load Map. It should pop up as a kind of long, exhaustive list of your things. If you already have a search filter, delete it so you can see all your mods. To navigate through this, you can use the scroll wheel or the scroll wheel on your mouse. Depending on what kind of map you want, you always want to have something that's in your mind already. For example, in this scene, I want a day scene. So find a day scene that might contextualize with what you might want. Click on it. Select Open. It should pop up Loading Map screen. When it is done, you will be landed on somewhere near in your map. To navigate the camera in SFM, press and hold the left mouse. However, doing this before you load a camera will pop up an error message as you cannot move the camera while you're in the current timeline. You are currently in camera 1. You want the work camera to move around in the 3D space. To do this, select this button and you will switch to work camera. More about cameras later. To navigate the 3D space, press and hold the left mouse key. Your mouse will disappear, but as you push your mouse up and down, your camera will go up and down horizontally. Going left and right will let you view the map horizontally. If you choose to go through a 180, you'll see how well your map is. This is your tutorial on how to navigate through SFM and to load maps. Stay tuned for further updates and tutorials.